One of the most powerful and time-saver tool is Excel in the fill handle. It helps you automatically copy or continuous data typing without typing repeatedly. So first see how to complete serial number without repeating and without typing. So first you have to give him example 1 2 3, then select handle and drag. How many you need, you just drag it and stop. It will automatically fill your serial number. If you want date or exclusive text want to fill the full line, you have to just select it and click to handle and drag how many you need. Now I am stop and that is completely automatic. It will save your time.